Nice and shine. Today I just woke up and sun. Nope, just kidding. Yep, I'm not just kidding. I just need sunlight because shoot on the light and it's dark. So why do we have to stay for here when it's all done? We're getting brighter. It's getting brighter. You can barely see me. Now you can see me now. Now you can see me now. It's like a nice day. There's still in a train track. Guys, gotta look at my train over here. It broke.
Yeah, sun's coming up. Open the window.
You didn't even turn on the lights. You turned on the lights now. It's so dark. When do we have to stay? Oh gosh. I don't actually do see this cardboard on. That was just sticking on me. Like spitting up a wooden. There is a kind of place. It's not like saying canopy. I got this one. I got the blue. This is from. See, have you been to this place? Comment up below. Canopy Lake Park. Yeah, if you guys didn't went over there, it's a fun, super duper fun place. Like Disney World, or maybe some of the theme parks. It's super cool. You better go over there. It's past the lake, near. It's like next. It's right next to the lake, so that's why it's called Canopy Lake Park. Because if you know this, I'm just gonna announce it. It's a place fun, and when the train goes by, a boat ride is in the lake. And the boat ride passes, it's right next to the train ride. And it goes ding, ding. It's an old-fashioned. It's an old-fashioned train. So it looks like an old-fashioned train, so ride it. Because it's an old-fashioned train. You can ride on it, and it's I need to do my gorgeous hair. I gotta suck that in. I need to blow it. You hear the sound already? This is actually hard to actually pull it when you make a sound. I don't know actually because I keep going up and down like this. I keep doing like this way. So I gotta be careful. It's not every time. It's not just remote control. I love this remote control because I can dig in the dirt or snow, but it's battery. An excavator. An excavator. An excavator.
Excavator. An excavator.
Yeah. I actually draw the CSX and actually here's the other CSX I drew because they're all yellow and black. You see CSX? It's a CSX truck up here. Because I drawn it, it was my remote control. It's a police CSX because it helps people. If this is CSX police, yeah, it's the police CSX. so happy that I got all this in my first plane. So actually, I have my pony here. I have my pony here. It's just Jaffe, and she's gonna love to see that plane. And Jaffe is the big, his big brother. His big brother, right? He's actually big enough. He's actually little, the size of not the size of a kid's hand. It's the size of the size of this. It's the size of the but the legs are loose. It's the size of that, but the neck is long. So it's the size of this string. If you have the smaller string, so it's the size of it. These are not the electric ones. Those are the wooden, the track ones. The plastic tracks one. Like this one has not the same tracks, but it's actually the same thing. But it's actually easy to break. And these fat ones. I'm looking at you. I'm looking. Remember this movie?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Do you recognize this movie? If you watch it, there was a train on there. You shouldn't see it, but you saw that a little bit. No, you didn't. But there was a train over there. Yeah, there's a lot of trains, and they try to create a train. Yeah. What am I supposed to do with these? There's some tape in here. It feels like this is backwards because I got it all out. Black tape. So disgusting. Black as you! And in the in my Mickey Mouse ears, no, Anthony's Mickey Mouse ears. You wanna see my other robot? Where's the trunk over there? Where's the trunk? He's coming. Look at this trunk. Look at that thing. It's okay. It's not okay. Yeah. I'll just clean up it right now. Now where would this go? Actually, it's fun to clean up. Yeah, look at that. Cleaning up. I haven't made a mess over here yet. That fall off. Done. You hear that creaking? Hey, what that creaking noise? This left it. Okay. I understand. I'm just walking away. Guys, check this out. Here. This is a train. The Santa Fe. Do you know this train? What is it called? Yes, that's right. La Santa Fe. And actually, this is actually your remote control. It's black. Okay, you'll not know which one is the remote, because one of them is a phone.
Monday ever. Case of the Mondays. Just open the Instacart.
Which one is this?
Stores. Get groceries, comfort foods, and household
No.
items delivered in as little as 2 hours.
Okay, so you guessed it. It's this. But you got this wrong first. If you got this wrong, so it's in. If you got this right, then because I heard a couple of you say it. A little bit. Some of you have said it. So other toys on top of the CSX, and something smells like something. It smells like yucky fart. This actually is not the same track.
I don't see why not.
Itching in my belly. There's something itching in my belly. I don't know what's in here. It keeps itching me because something's tickling me. Can I look just for a second? And I don't know if I have the chicken pox, but I don't know. Cause maybe she's no, nothing. No chicken pox. Hey, do you know that about this? And it's looks like that is leaving. Ooh, that sounds cool. Ah! Good, dude, it's moving. Ooh, look, Jesus. Let's try the push. No, look.
Do not let this fall on the floor. It leaks. Even if the cover's down.
Nuts. There's
That's
something.
why you guys know what.
There's something. There it is. Let's try.
She's not dangerous. She's very large, but she's jolly. Well, you're gonna have to be able to die. She's not just an elephant. She's a role model. She saved my life. She's
How
trying to
about
make a plane
doing that?
she wanted to leave in 3 minutes. If she could get on that plane, carve out a whole
I am looking for batteries for these. But they take 6 batteries, so how are the other 6 batteries over here? Bye. Thank you for watching.